Switching from a physical SIM to an eSIM on T-Mobile is straightforward on most iPhones, starting from iPhone XS and Android devices like Samsung Galaxy S21 and newer. First, check your phone's compatibility on T-Mobile's website using your IMEI number. Then, contact T-Mobile through their app, chat, or by calling, providing your account details and IMEI to request the conversion. Once approved, you'll receive a QR code or activation code. For iPhones, navigate to Settings, then Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan to scan the QR code. On Android devices, use the T-Mobile app or your device settings to scan the QR code. After scanning, your eSIM profile will install automatically, activating the eSIM while deactivating the physical SIM. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process. Most postpaid plans offer free conversion, while prepaid plans may incur a small fee. eSIMs offer numerous benefits, including the ability to switch carriers or plans without needing a physical SIM card, enhanced security, and a reduction in e-waste. Current trends show T-Mobile phasing out physical SIMs for new activations, focusing on eSIM for 5G networks. By 2025, eSIM adoption has significantly increased. Future trends include integrated satellite connectivity and AI-driven auto-switching for optimal networks. Security is also improving with biometric eSIM locking. While challenges like network fragmentation exist, eSIMs are expected to become mandatory for all new smartphones by 2030, making the conversion a smart move for future-proofing your mobile experience.